Yo, what up, YouTube? We are finally back to making content. I stopped for a couple of months because I got a little bit unmotivated to do some content, but we are back now. Hopefully I'm locked in, so let's get it. But today we're gonna be going to a car show in downtown that I personally loved myself. A lot of JDM cars and everything. So you already know the deal. We're gonna go get some content, get those pictures, and well, yeah, I'm recording with my new action camera, the DJI Action 6. So it's first time using it, and I also got a new camera too, a new Sony one. So with the Tamron lens, a 28x75. So let's see how everything goes today. Here we are, warming up the Camaro. It's a little still clapped out, by the way. But yeah, let's see how it goes today, chat. And you guys already know, I'm gonna do some behind the scenes, have you guys on my chest, and just walk around and grab some pics. I'm excited to do car content again. But how about we start heading out? Let's go! But we have made it, chat. We're shooting with my Tamron today. Here it is. Leave it in there first now. Got the camera out. Throw this little piece on there. Take this hot shoe out. Cord for my phone. So that's on there. Then always face the sensor down as we walk behind what we've been told. Don't get any dust in there. Set up.
I'm on the freeway and the big puddle on the it's awesome. Like kind of right behind Scottsdale border.
Alright, just right here, guys. You take this shit super. Alright, just perfectly here. Famous Dempsey. Sheesh. Famous guy. But that is it for today's video, guys. We finished walking the whole lot. There was 2 lots that were fully packed, and then there were some cars on the streets, but I think I am all done here. I've been here for 2 hours already. I gotta hit the gym because I am doing 75 days hard, and I am on day 17, so your boy just trying to get skinny, bro, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I feel like I got a lot of content. Met one of my homies, Dempsey, so shot his S15 before leaving, but we walked around, got some pretty good shots. I'm excited, happy to be back into the photography game, but hopefully we do this again soon, and we'll see when the next video will be. So I'll be seeing you guys till the next time. Peace.